XV is a gallery of our very best sound effects, drawn from many of our most popular libraries. More than 3,000 sound effects are provided in over 35 major categories. The XV series is the unique multi-platform library first conceived by Sound Ideas. Each of the 15 volumes contains 2 discs, one in Redbook CD audio format and the other a CD-ROM of WAV and MP3 formatted files, ready for immediate use in both PC and Macintosh systems. That means you get a total of 30 CDs in this collection. The XV series, a collection of our greatest hits from Sound Ideas.